So here is my hack job repair. All right, we cut out all the rotted stuff, ran a 6-inch grade A bolt through it with a 2-inch spacer and a washer, and then up in there a couple of fender washers just to kind of spread out some of the force on the frame rail, and then a grade A nut and bolt, and we'll see if this thing drives a little better and a little safer and doesn't wander so much all over the road. But anyways, I absolutely 100% do not recommend this as a safe repair. I'm just kind of experimenting to see how this will turn out. But again, I'm not telling you to do this, I'm just showing you what I did. All right, figure that needs to be said. So